Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm so excited to share with you my Holiday Catalog Pre-Order goodies. So let me set the catalog aside and I'll show you what is in the box. I'm going to start with the stamp set and dies here. This happens to be the Cardinal stamp set here till Christmas, along with the coordinating dies, and this happens to be part of a suite, so there's other goodies that go with it that I'll show you in a little bit. This next item is one of our new products. It is the Cup of Christmas stamp set. This happens to be a reversible stamp set, and it's going to have some really cool options. And of course there is the Cup of Cheer dies that go along with that, so that you can cut out the cups and other shapes. Here is one of our holiday sets that include all of the different occasions, including Valentine's Day or Love Sentiment, Birds of a Feather. I think this is going to be so cute. And here is another set that I think has got a lot of possibilities. I love these little monsters. I think they're going to be great for birthday cards in addition to Halloween cards. And I'll show you the accessories that go with this in a little bit. Okay, here is the Frosted Foliage stamp set and coordinating frames dies. This is just absolutely gorgeous. It's a suite, and the soft winter papers are just gorgeous. And here I've got the Perfectly Plaid stamp set, and it's coordinating Pine Tree Punch. I believe that's what it's called. Yep, Pine Tree Punch. I think this is going to make quick and easy projects, especially treats. And this stamp set here is called the Christmas Countdown. It happens to go with our Advent Calendar kit, the Christmas Countdown, with little drawers that hold little goodies for the countdown to Christmas. With my German heritage and growing up with Advent calendars, I just absolutely love this option and can't wait to see what it looks like put together. Next, I'm going to start with some of our ribbon. We've got a Real Reb Roast ribbon here, 1 inch wide, so it's going to be great for larger projects, and a Cherry Cobbler diagonal stripe ribbon. It's actually quite beautiful in person. And then we've got this scalloped edge basic black ribbon, perfect for holiday projects, and who doesn't love basic black. And this is that gorgeous seafoam metallic ribbon that goes with that frosted suite that I told you about. This next stack of ribbon includes 2 different greens. We've got the spruce with the gold stripe, and then our garden green with the stitched edge, which is going to be a lot of fun. And we've got this curly ribbon that goes with the snowman suite. I think that's going to be a lot of fun and add a touch of whimsy to projects. And this combo pack here is our harvest or our fall ribbon pack that goes with our Come Together stamp set and designer series paper, and it's done in crumb cake with this beautiful texture, and then the baker's twine, it looks like, or linen thread, is done in Cajun craze. Okay, and I'm going to show you one of our kits. This happens to be the Joy of Giving kit. Let's see what we've got inside. This is a tag kit. It's all-inclusive, which makes it a perfect item to give as a gift or to take with you to do something on a small fall break. It makes tags, and it makes a ton of tags. Comes with this wonderful stamp set, and of course the spot and everything that you need other than adhesive to get started. Okay, designer series paper. Gotta love it. This is our plaid. It is wrapped in plaid, and it has this beautiful gold to it. And remember I was telling you about the Feels Like Frost suite. This happens to be the designer series paper stack. It's a 6x6. One side's got this beautiful foil in silver, and the other side has got these realistic images that are just breathtaking. And then we've got the Night Before Christmas 6x6 stack. It's a traditional kind of paper that will be a lot of fun to work with. Here's another specialty paper that is just to die for. It's got copper on it, and this is the brightly gleaming. It goes with this beautiful ornament bundle that is in the holiday catalog. And here is the paper and part of that suite for the cardinal stamp set that I showed you. There's also matching wrapping paper that comes with this. Our harvest paper here is done with the Come Together suite, and it's got the Cajun Craze Early Espresso and all those warm earthy colors for fall. And here's a wonderful Halloween set of paper, and I love the fact that the designer frames dies that coordinate with this set will cut out the designer series paper for us. And the Let It Snow bundle, I wish you could feel this. It's got this raised, embellished, glittered feel to it, and is simply breathtaking. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to work with. Okay, on to accessories. If you haven't already seen it, this is the Paper Pumpkin kit for the Gift of Fall add-on. It's note card set, and you can see the colors are just rich and gorgeous. And of course you can still get these if you're interested in doing the add-on, since the kit is bags and tags for this month. Here are some cute little coffin treat boxes. Can't wait to give those a try. And our embossing folders. There's a hammered metal, which I can't wait to try with our different foils. The winter knit, which is going to be wonderful for those little snowmen and all kinds of holiday projects to give it a touch of warmth. And here's a stylish scroll that goes with our Halloween suite, but I think it's going to be fantastic for other projects too. Our catalog has got these wonderful silver, copper, and gold ink pads. They're going to be fantastic. I can't wait to try those, especially with the accents that we have in our designer series paper. Here are some of our glitter enamel dots that go with that cardinal suite, and some holiday rhinestone basic jewels that are just rich and beautiful and have some sparkle to them. Speaking of copper, how about these Star Designer elements? I couldn't resist them. And we've got some jingle bells. I hope you can see these. And that Halloween Monster Bash set, here are some little googly eyes. They come in different colors, assorted sizes, and they're just fun. That Winter Frost set has got the suite. This is the Ice Stampin' Glitter. They're large, chunky glitter that you can add to your projects to add a little bling, along with a shimmering crystal effects. It's so great that we've got that option again. And how about some puff to our snow or marshmallows with the Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. Can't wait to give that a try. Refills, of course, because it never hurts to have your refill when you get your pad so that you don't forget. And we've got some really cool options here this time with our black Stampin' Dimensionals. It's a combo pack, so not only does it have the standard size dimensionals, it has minis also. And they won't show on those black cardstocks and projects and coffins that we've got that I showed you. And then we've got these wonderful little boxes. They're white on the one side because they are food grade, of course, but when you open them up and pull them out, look at that shimmer, a gold box. That's going to make a gorgeous presentation. I can't wait to try some this weekend on my team retreat to create a little gift. And this here is that Christmas Countdown project kit that goes with the stamp set I showed you earlier. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. And let's just pull it out and see what it looks like. There we go. And so the stamp coordinates and you can decorate it, and it's quick and easy. Well, I've reached the bottom of my box. Let me show you the catalog cover again. I think you are going to absolutely love this catalog when you see it. My wish list is huge. And of course, if you don't have a local demonstrator and would like a holiday catalog, I'll be happy to mail you one. Simply email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll get one dropped in the mail to you. And of course, if you have a wish list and would like to get your goodies during August, you can join my team during the next promotion. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact me. I'd love to answer them for you. And of course, if you'd like any Stampin' Up! Products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.